everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any exciting updates from me. First off, let me just say congrats to you for clicking on this video. You've just taken your first step towards positive change. If you are someone who's always on the hunt for self-development and personal growth, you are in the right place. So, as previous video, from Nelson Mandela to Steve Jobs and from Wonder Woman to favorite sports coach, leadership comes in many flavors. Today, we are diving into the world of leadership styles. Autocratic, transformational, servant, democratic, just to name a few. But which one is right for you? Leadership isn't one size fits all. So how do you decide your leadership path? Let's get into it. First up, autocratic leadership. My way or the highway. Ever heard that? The positives of this style are that these leaders are quick in taking decisions and have a clear direction. The downs of this style are that they may demotivate teams and risk innovation. Next, democratic leadership. I think that this is a self-explanatory style. And what is this about? So the pros of this style are that these leaders are inclusive and they promote trust and respect. The cons of this style are that these leaders might have a slower decision-making process. How about transformational leadership? These leaders inspire, push boundaries, and ignite passion. Other advantages that these leaders bring are the fact that they boost morale and innovative. On the other hand, these leaders may require constant energy and enthusiasm. And then we've got the servant leadership. These leaders put their team's needs before their own. The pros of this style are that they build strong teams and encourage growth, but they might be seen as too soft or lacking authority. Now remember, these aren't set in stone. And the real magic, mixing and matching styles based on situation and team dynamics. So how do you pick your style? Here are 3 steps. 1. Self-awareness. Recognize your strengths, values, and inclinations. 2. Feedback. Ask your peers, mentors, or teams, even coach. Their insights might be golden. 3. Experiment. Step out of your comfort zone, try a style for a month, and see the results. Leadership isn't just about directing. It's about connecting, inspiring, and evolving. Whether you are the iron-fisted ruler or the friend next door, leaders stay true to yourself. This is just the beginning, and I have a tailor-made program for you that it uses transformative coaching. I'll see you in the next video where we continue this journey towards a richer, fuller, happier life.